I want to show you how to buy 10 gig on Vodacom. Yes, I bought 10 gig and I got free 5 gig. Yes, free 5 gig after buying this 10 gig. So all I have to do, just have to watch this video until the end. I'll show you step by step. Now let's get it. So first of all, you have to dial *111#. I want to show you my balance, right? I want to show you my balance. Okay, let me show you my balance. Right, go to option 2. Go to option 2 for balance. You can see there I have 100 rand, but then let's do the detailed. Right, let's do the detailed. As we're still waiting for the SMS, let me show you other grab offer that I think is affordable on Vodacom. Right, let me show you this other offer. Right, go to option 2 again, balance. Option 2 balance, and right here go to option 2 again, must grab offer. So you can see there, right, 200 gig, 100 anytime, 100 and night owl for 24 months is available, I think. Right, okay, let me show you my available balance. You can even see there I have extra time of 98 rand. So this is extra time. You can't buy data, you just have to use it for calls. Right, so you just have to dial the *123#. Then right there you must go to prepaid LTE option 2, and then right there can even see other offers right there. So we're going to do option 2, 5 gig plus 5 gig, and right here we're going to confirm. You can see there even free 5 gig for YouTube. Okay, confirm. Okay, successful. Right, successful. Right, if you do confirm, so we are adding more data, which if you don't have airtime you will do with advance. Right, as we're still waiting, let's do this again. Let's go to balance. Okay, you can see the 5 gig, but then let's do SMS. We want SMS so we can see full details. Right, full details. Okay, here's the SMS. Let's go to SMSs. Let me show you right full details. Extra time there, 63 minutes, 5 gig and 5 gig and free 5 gig, guys. This is all on how to buy this cheap data on Vodacom, guys. So if you want free airtime right now, just have to watch this video. Right, watch this video, see on how to get free airtime.